Hello everyone. In this session, we will understand how to provide comments in Python programming. Comments in Python are lines of text in your code that are ignored by the Python interpreter. They are used to explain the purpose of the code, clarify complex logic, and make the program easier to understand for others and yourself also. So this video explains the different types of comments in Python, their use, and best practices for writing effective comments. There are two types of comments in Python, single line comments and the multi-line comments. To understand that, let us go to the Visual Studio Code. Now as we have already discussed, you can create a folder and save your file in that specific folder with the extension .py. Now once you are open in that folder, you can directly create a new file by going to this left hand sidebar of the VS Code, click on this Explorer, and here you will see list of programs that you have created till now. So in this section, programs is mentioned, that is folder name in my case. In your case, folder name may be different. To the right hand side of it, you will find the different options to create a new file, new folder. So here we want to create a new file, so click on it and provide the file name with the .py extension. Let us give file name to be comments.py. Now you can hide this explorer by again clicking on it. First we will understand the single line comments. A single line comment start with the hashtag symbol. So to provide the comment, first you need to type hashtag, and now you can write any of the comment that you want to provide to your program. Let us write use of comments in Python. Again hit enter. Now suppose I am considering x equal to 10 and I want to print x. So type print x and run the program. So here in the terminal you will find that the output is 10, but the statement that we have written using the hashtag symbol is not printed or not executed in the program. So this comment is used on a specific line to explain a piece of code briefly, but it is not executed by the interpreter. So how this comment is useful? Let us say we have already mentioned x equal to 10. So now we want to explain to someone that what is the meaning of x equal to 10. So we may use this hashtag symbol and now type it is the assignment of value 10 to the variable x. So we can write assigning value 10 to the variable x. So this comment explain what is the meaning of x equal to 10. Same way, next statement we have written the print x. So if you want to explain someone what is the meaning of print x, again we can type hashtag. And the purpose of this print function is it prints output on the terminal or the console. So let us write useful for getting output on console. So I hope that you got the idea what is the use of comments in this Python program. Now second one is the multi-line comments. So as the name suggests, we can provide the comments to the multiple line also. The first useful approach is we may use multiple time hashtag symbols to provide the multi-line comments. Let us use the multiple hashtag symbol. First comment is this is multi-line comment. Suppose this is line 1 of the comment and second one is the line 2 of the comment. So here as you can see we can provide the multiple comments in individual lines by using this hashtag symbol. The Python doesn't have a direct syntax for multi-line comments, but you can make use of the triple quotes as a workaround. As you can see, if our comment is of more than 10 to 15 lines, so it is somewhat tedious to provide the hashtag symbol to each and every individual lines. So for that, we may use the concept of triple quotes in the Python to provide the comment. Let us copy above all 3 lines and again use it for the purpose of triple quotes. Now for the reference, you can comment all these lines by using the shortcut also. You can press Ctrl plus forward slash in the Windows and command plus forward slash in your Mac device. Suppose we want to uncomment all these 3 lines, so again press Ctrl plus forward slash. Again if you want to provide the multiple comments, so you can press command plus forward slash or Ctrl plus forward slash in your system. As we want to provide the multi-line comments, let us uncomment all these 3 lines. Now to provide the multi-line comments, you can use triple quotes symbols. So first provide triple quote at the starting of the comment. So here you will see we have provided the triple quotes and within these triple quotes we need to provide our multiple lines. So let us cut these lines from here and paste it in between. So here you can see all these lines are considered as the comment by the Python program. So this is a multi-line command and it spans across multiple lines useful for the detailed explanations. Here just keep in mind that these triple quoted commands are typically string literals but are often used as commands when not assigned to a variable. What is the string literal is, we will understand this in detail in our further sessions. So using a single hashtag symbol, you can provide a single line command, or using the triple quotes, you can provide the multi-line commands. So why to use these commands? So these commands enhance the readability. That means it helps others to understand the purpose of the code. It clarifies the complex logic by breaking down the complicated sections of the code in explanatory comments. It also aids in debugging aid. That means you can temporarily disable parts of the code during debugging, and you can specifically select a portion of the code that you want to check. And the last one is the documentation. So you can provide details about the code's functionality, inputs, outputs, and the limitations. I hope you got the idea how to use the Python commands and what is the importance of Python commands in Python